Hey everybody, it's Travis Holzem with Food Forest Design Solutions. Here, I'll take this off. My head's real hot. Sweaty. But anyway, finished the fruit tree guilds. I haven't planted them out yet and seeded them, but I'm gonna come and do that tomorrow when I put the cages around these trees so the deer don't eat them over the winter. So I'll be caging them and seeding them, throwing some straw over the top of that. But here, let me show you where we're at here. Still have a little bit of playing around to do over here, but we're gonna have comfrey, black-eyed Susans, echinacea, sage, oregano, clover, hyssop, wild strawberry, and there's quite a few more, but not all of them are going to be going into every single one. They're going to be, comfrey will be in every one, because comfrey's that dynamic accumulator that's going to get those nutrients from deep down in that soil to feed these fruit trees. So we'll have that, and we'll have some yarrow, and probably some, we're gonna have a lot of stuff in here. So they're gonna be a very good variety, and everything does its job from the top of the canopy of these trees, these fruit trees, which obviously the other canopies, these other big trees, but they're not gonna really come into play too much, because a few of these are going to be taken out next spring when there's going to be some landscaping going on, some hardscaping going on, going up this slope. And I will be coming back next spring, and I will be putting 4 fruit trees up this slope here, and they'll be terrace all the way down, so they can trap the flow of water. And then we'll put some nice long rooted plants in there to help slow that water down and keep it in the landscape. And then on the very top, we're going to have some raised garden beds and possibly another fruit tree guild on the top up there. But that's what we got. We're just moving all the extra soil over here to the side of the house, because Minnesota topsoil, amazing soil, great mulch, but I think they were too nice to me this time and gave me too much soil, which I don't mind, but it's amazing soil. So if you're looking for a great garden mix to grow in, whether you're planting fruit trees or you're planting out some raised garden beds, Minnesota topsoil's garden soil mixture is one of the best I've seen around the Twin Cities. So I've had amazing luck with it. It's always been great to grow in. So check out Minnesota topsoil. And that's that. Grow food, not laws, my friends. And winter's coming, so obviously we won't be planting after this job is complete. I will be done working outdoors until next spring. So during the winter is when I do all my design work. So the time is now to design your landscape, and then it will be ready to be installed and planted out in the spring of 2025. So we can spend the next few months designing the Garden of Eden in your property, and we'll have it ready to go by next spring. Give me a shout, Travis at foodforestabundance.com. I have a new 800 number on my website. I can't remember it off the top of my head. Otherwise, you can visit the website, foodforestdesign.solutions, and hit the contact form and send me a message through there. Other than that, have an amazing day, my friends. Talk to you soon.